All right, welcome guys. I'm going to do an unboxing of my new Cricut Joy that I got for Christmas. So if you're interested in seeing that, please do stay tuned. Welcome guys. For those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Claudette with Miss Puff Creative Corner, and I got this Cricut Joy for Christmas. So let's go ahead and unbox this. Many of you probably already are familiar with the Cricut Joy, but I am not. I have a Brother Scan and Cut, and I use it not that often, but it's a bigger machine. I think it does a lot, but it's bigger, it's harder to store, and then you have to pull it out to use it if you don't have the right spot for it. And this seems like it was so cute and nice and small and easy to store. So I said, oh, let me go ahead and try it. And then it's perfect for making cards, customizing your card. So I said, let me go ahead and try that. So let's see what comes in the box, okay? We have a selection here what comes in the box. So included in the box is the Cricut Joy machine, the blade, and plus the housing for it, fine point pen, a 0.4 millimeters, standard grip mat, which is a 4.5 inch by 6.5 inch, a welcome card, a power adapter, and free trial membership to Cricut Access for new subscribers. So I guess you have to pay for the membership, I guess, after a while. 50 ready to make projects online and material for practice cut. And so what you'll need is a compatible computer or mobile device. So this uses, you have to have a mobile device or compatible computer. And I guess maybe this doesn't have like switches and stuff and whatnot. And you need the internet. Okay, so let's go ahead and see. Open this up. Okay, we have tape on this side too as well. Just need a pokey tool and get these both sides. Okay, it's nicely padded. That's nice protection here. And this, look, see how it's packed in here or stored, the packaging, and it is nicely wrapped. So we have this, they have the plastic wrap on that, and then let's see what else comes inside here. It says open me. Okay, let's do that. So we have this. Let's put this down to the side here. Let's see what else comes in the back in this box. So we have our cording here. This is, I guess, the Cricut pen. And we have the power cords. Okay, let's see what's inside this. Okay, let's get started. And I don't know if this is a sample sheets. These are probably sample sheets here. And then you have the mat. And you have safety instruction, your warranty slips there. And so let's open this up and see. Okay. And I guess, oh, I guess it sits this way. All right, so you have the little word Cricut. And I guess it opens up this way. And I guess you have the little cutting right here, the little foam here to start. And then you have the cutting there. And I guess maybe that's the slot right there to run your stuff through. And then you know what, guys, I also buy the Cricut. This didn't come with it. I just bought the card mat to create custom cards that goes with this machine. So I got this separate. So it's supposed to make custom cards. You see how they have these little cutouts here and this card front? So you're able to create different designs like that using this machine, but you need this special mat, which I went ahead and got. So it'll be fun playing with that to see how that is. So I'll go ahead and let's go ahead and plug this in. So this was gifted to me and they were purchased from Amazon. So you could get these at Amazon. So I'll list that down below. You know what? Let's see where it goes. We'll keep that cord short. And see, the light just came on there. And I just have to get it set up on my phone. Figure out how to get it set up on my phone, guys. So you'll be able to manage that from your devices. So that's it, guys. Thank you guys for tuning in. And when I figure out how to use this, I'll probably come back on and do a sample test on this, a sample project. Thank you guys for tuning in. This is Claudette, and I'll catch you on my next video.